Look at this. This is beautiful, this is. End's a bit shaky. This is a park in Scunthorpe. All I keep thinking about this fountain is that I wish it was a chocolate fountain. But I'll tell you something, I'd run and jump in. But yeah. Sorry about that. Isn't this absolutely beautiful?
I need to watch my feet in a minute.
Oh, I just want to dive in. I'd break my phone. This is the 2010-11 restoration of the Central Park Fountain, was funded by Tata Steel as part of its landfill communities funding programme.
You can't swim in it.
Oh, how disappointing. Dogs are on it and I can't even swim in it. I wonder what would happen if I did. I think somebody might have drowned.